Yo, what's up YouTube? This is my FRS and it's currently boosted. It still hasn't been tuned yet. Some few stuff is missing. It's my coolant, my bumper, my stuff. Anyways, so we used the 6mm Teflon line here. Water lines for oil cooler, so it will cool the oil inside the turbo shaft. Then this is the Garret GTX2860R Gen II with custom fabrication for the intercooler pipes and the manifold, along with the wastegate open dump. This is the Spal fans with custom shroud. Still haven't been able to put this together, and because I'm going to be working still for the wirings for the Spal fans. Anyways, so this is my Tial Blow valve. It's a 50mm in size inside it, and that one is the wastegate. This is the wastegate, which is a 45mm Turbosmart, and the pipings for the intercooler. Here it's only 2-inch, but I have this 90-degree. From 2-inch goes to 2.5, so it goes along with this pipe. It goes inside there. 2.5 comes here, and I'm sorry, but there's no clamps because of the quarantine thing. This is the Treadstone TR6 Intercooler. Also here, pipe goes backwards 2-inch, and then it becomes 3-inch with the MAF sensor to the intake manifold. This is the catch can I have. It's a Mishimoto. Actually, here, this line, I used to have another line goes back to the rebreather for the old intake that I had, the engine technology intake. So I have 4-bar map sensor, and I've already bought the 700cc Dycheworks injectors, and I've already installed my 65C Dychework fuel pump. So from here you can see that this is the dash 10 fitting for the oil drain. I use also the Teflon line because, you know, it can absorb heat, and I've already welded also dash 10 Teflon line, Teflon fitting. Sorry, steel fitting. It's connected with a Teflon line that I've already crimped it. This is my custom fabrication for the manifold. I have also the dimple drain bolt. Here's my wastegate. It has a 7 psi spring inside it. So yeah, I guess that's about it. But I'm gonna mention about this one. This is the XT oil cooler that has been used in Subaru Forester Turbo. and for the heat transfer, you know, it tries its best to hold it up to 105 centigrade, and the custom fabricated radiator, and you can see that there's a damage for the condenser because of the car was exported from the USA. It has an accident in front and it has been fixed. So yeah, as I mentioned, this is the TR6 Treadstone Intercooler, and from this area I've already had to cut this to give it some space, but I still have to cut it around this area above, and that will be it. So yeah, this is my block distributor for the wastegate. Still haven't been tuned it up because I have my Mac Boost controller still not installed yet. So I'm gonna change this line for the wastegate and connect it with the Mac Boost controller, and this one is for the blow up valve. It's already been connected yet, so I have to only cut anywhere around this area and then connect it to the boost controller, and then the rest of it goes back to the wastegate. So yeah, it's pretty good, I guess. It's actually a custom turbo kit, custom fabrication, along with the branded turbo and blow up valve and wastegates. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, any questions, any doubts anyone have, feel free to ask in the comments below.